Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to use Omegle app on Android or on iPhone. So why we are just making this video is like the many people are not able to just find the Omegle app. So first we are going to just browse for the Omegle app, and over here you can see on the top that is the Omegle. You have to just click on that, and that's all. Here Omegle app is just open. So first thing you can see that it is an adult side. You can here just talk to the strangers by a video or through just a chat, and you can just add your interest over here also in which type of person you are interested. And obviously this is an adult site. So in this way you can just use Omegle app as it is not available on any other site. You have to just chat over here. You can just talk to a person via chat or via video call. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.